Light bulb GEWR51X10055 refrigerator defrost heater, a high-quality exact equivalent for part numbers AP3183311, 900, and 14088, A303781, EA303781, PS303781, WR51X10030. WR51X10055 refrigerator defrost heater is compatible with General Electric and Hotpoint appliances. GE defrost heater WR51X10055 is a long, thin, and curved heating element that is typically located behind the back panel of the freezer compartment. The defrost heater WR51X10055 fits hundreds of models and can be installed in a few minutes. Wrench DIY tips included. Not sure how to replace the defrost heater assembly WR51X10055? Helpful information can be found on the page below. Scroll down to get more repair tips. Acquire valuable skills during the DIY repair project. WR51X10055 defrost heater will help if your appliance is too warm, freezer is not defrosting, or there's a frost buildup. It is important to note that the